Today I'm going to solve with you ICT past paper, February-March 2024, variant 31. Web page. Let's start with task 1. Create evidence file. For me, from the beginning, I created folder to set the source files inside it, plus my working files. You can create this folder to save all of your working files and the source files. You can create it and save it anywhere. At desktop, drive C, drive D. It's better to set it in the drive C or D directly, so you will make the path of the file like shorter. Okay, for now I created it here. Here I will set all of the files. Let's start with the evidence document blank. Okay, they said make sure that your name, center number, candidate number will appear on every page. So insert header, your name, comma, center number, comma, candidate number, and that's it. Save it in your work area. Save as, browse, your work area. Okay, and the name is M24 evidence underscore followed by the center number and then candidate number. Center number underscore candidate number. Save. We will use this evidence files later. Now, task 2, image editing and the file management. Create a new folder called March 24. Okay, so here I am going to create a new folder, and the name of this folder, March 24. March 24. Okay. The file m24 image.png. Okay. We want to edit this image, reflect this image horizontally. Image. And edit it. They want me to reflect it horizontally. Okay, so this is the image that they want. Okay, they want me to reflect it. For me, I prefer to use Microsoft Picture Manager. It contains all the tools that I need them. So right click, open with Picture Manager. You can see the balloon to the right side. We want to reflect it so it will appear on the left side. So from edit picture, go to rotate and flip horizontally. Now I want to save it in the format. They said in the format which is suitable to the web page. Okay, to include it in the web page. The format which is suitable to the web page, either JPG or PNG. So it's up to you. Let's go to export. So here you can find the formats which are available. Let's change it to JPG, and the name that they want is balloon. And save it in your folder inside your work area in the folder March 24. Open, then okay to save it. I think save it. Just let me make sure inside March 24. Yeah, that's it. It is to the left side. Now locate only the following files. Okay, the banner, the text file, and the video. Okay, they want me to set them inside the folder March 24. Okay, so go to the source file. They want the video plus. So press Ctrl key and the text, this one, plus the banner here. So Ctrl C, let me go to my work area inside March 24, Ctrl V to paste them. Okay, display the contents of your March folder, showing the folder name, all file names, file extensions. Okay, they want the extensions, file size, image dimensions, and frame height and frame width. Anyhow, you want, first of all, if the extension of the file is not visible, you can go to inside any folder to the view tab, then go to options, then go to change folder and options, then in the view, go to here, view that tab, sorry, make sure that hide extension for the known file types is not selected. Okay, by default this text box will be ticked. So you need to remove the tick from this text box, okay? For me, I already removed it. So now you can see the extension GPG, PNG, and the other stuff, okay? Now they want to display the details for this file. So you can go again to the View tab and display as details. But now for me, I don't have all the details that they want. They want the dimensions. I have the type, okay? But I don't have the file, the image dimensions and frame height and frame width. How to display them? Just go back here, okay, in the headings, right click, you will find the options that are visible. The other options not visible. For me, I want to add dimensions, okay. If it's not available here, just right click again, go to more. For me also, I need like to display the frame height in the F, frame height, um, frame height and frame height and frame width. Okay, okay. Now just if you can see from a frame height, from a frame width, it is for the video. Now we can take screenshot and take a screenshot for this folder. Make sure that the required information is visible. Place them in your evidence file, okay? Anyhow, just let me double check folder names, all the files names, extensions, size, image dimensions, frame, yeah, everything is fine. So how to take screenshot? Either using the snipping tool, so you can here using the snipping tool, okay, this tool, or using shift and the Windows logo and S together. So just let me take screenshot. Oh, sorry. You need like just to take screenshot for the whole Windows. Let me maximize. Okay. Now I can take screenshot. Is visible, the name of my folder, March 24, and all the files with all the details that they want, okay? Now let's go back to the questions. We'll finish step number 1. Step number 2, the web page. Create a web page called sbs.html and save it in your March 24 folder. Okay. Anyhow, for me, the application or the program that I am going to use in the web page is Web Expression Web. So I'm going to open my site, which is March 24 folder in your work area, March 24, and then open. Okay, here you will find the files that already we copied them. Just want to arrange. They want me first to create a web page. So you need like to go to the folder here, right click and new HTML. What is the name of your file? They said sbs.html. Then enter. They will tell you, do you want to continue? Yes. Rename the default? Yes. So now here we go. This is our web page. You can just show the design or split to show the code and design, or only the code. For me, I prefer to display both of them. So what I will apply here, I can see the result here. Okay. So they want me to create table, and this is the table. This web page must be created using single table. The table will fit only 90% of the browser, not 100%. And this is a structure that they want. So right here you can go back to the table, insert table. Can you see here how many rows I have in this table? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 rows. How many columns I have? 1, 2 columns. Another thing I need to adjust before close it, that the table must fit 90% of the browser window. So you have to set the width in percent. It is by default 100. You have to make it 90. And then, okay. You can see here, this is the table and this is the code. So in my table, this is the tag for the table. Here we opened, here we closed. Inside this table, I have four rows. This is the first row, table row, second, third, and fourth. Okay. And the width of the table is 90%. Let's continue. Each table cell is identified with a letter. Some dimensions are shown. Don't set the height of the cell B and E. B, E, don't display the height. Table borders must appear on the final web page. Okay. The cell contents in the diagram must the cell contents, yani the letters will not appear on the final page. Anyhow, just we need like to adjust these columns here. All the cells inside these columns merge. So you have highlight all of these cells in the first columns, right click, then go to modify and merge cells. Okay, step number 3, set the title of the web page to a Serengeti Balloon Safari. So how to add the title? Simply you can right click here and then go to the page properties. In the page properties here, you can go in the general tab title, add the title here. Just let me copy the title. Okay, and just paste it here. Okay, you know the title will appear on the head section. Okay, so once you click OK here, like automatically the code will appear on the head section. Okay, so you can see in the head section the title is Serengeti Balloon Safari. Before going to the step number 4, we need like to adjust the dimension for the cells. So the first cell, which is A, the width is 30. So right click here inside the cell, go to cell properties. It is the width and it is in percent. How much? It is 30%. You know, once you adjust this one here, the code will appear automatically in the first cell. You can see in the first cell, which we merged the 4 rows, the width is 30. So yeah, let's go to here to the cell B, the width is 70. So right click again, cell properties, the width is in percent. Make sure that you select the percent and now it is 70. Then, okay, 70. Now go to the next one, the height now. Right click, cell property, sorry. And now the height in percent, and it is 10, right? It is, yeah, it is 10. Then, okay, it is 10%, and it is only the height. Also in D, the height, cell properties, the height 15%, 15. And then, okay. Nothing. We don't need to adjust. Nothing to adjust in the width or height. For what? For the cell E. Nothing here. Now let's go to the step number 4. We need to add the image in the cell A. We need like to add the image balloon that already we saved in step number 1. So that it fits the width of the cell. What they mean with fits the width of the cell means you need to adjust the width of the image so it will completely fill the cell, means it will take 100% of the cell. So first of all, let me take the image and drag it here. What is the alternate text balloon? Then you need like to go to the image, right click. You have to take picture properties. Okay, in the appearance, you have to set the in person, the width should be 100. What about the height? You need to remove it, otherwise it will appear on the code here. Then, okay, you can see here, which is 100% of the cell. The image will take 100% of the image. Now, B, the image banner, and the cell B, the image banner, same thing. They want the image fits the width of the cell. So here we go to the banner and just drag. It is banner. then okay, right click, picture properties, appearance, and it is not in pixel, it is 100. Nothing here, just delete, and okay. You can see the width is 100% for the banner and the balloon as well. E here, the last cell here, the last one. What they want here, they want a video to display the video so it fits the width of this cell. This video must show the controls and play automatically when the web page opens, display an automated text base in case the browser doesn't support the video. You know, for me, I prefer to add this design part, drag and drop for everything except the video. The video, I prefer to add it here in the code section only for the video. Why? Because I can insert here the media inside this cell, but you know, some formatting they want it, I cannot adjust it from here, from adding the media here. So for this part, only for this particular part, which is adding video, I prefer to add it in the code. So you know, just set the mouse inside the cell that you want to add the video inside it, which is E. You know, it will highlight it, it will highlight the position. Replace this text, we don't need it. And now how to add the video? It is very simple, just add the tag for the video. Okay. Then you have to set the width for the video, right? They said fits same like the others, you know, fit the width of the same. Means the width will be 20%, 20 and percent. Don't forget the percent sign of the cell. Okay. Then you have to write controls. So the tools to play and pause the image will appear. Controls. Then close. Okay. Once you close it, the close tag will appear automatically. Okay. In between, we have also to add the source. Means what is the name of your video? Sorry, source. Source equal the name of your video. Just let me copy the name here. Is M24 video and the type equal a video slash MP4. 4, not 3, because it is video. What else? Then close the source. And the last thing is like, you know, the image that will appear in case your browser doesn't support this type of video. So just write your browser, just set, okay. But I will set your browser doesn't support this video type, and that's it, we finish. Okay. So just double check video, the width is 100%, the source is my file, and this is the message, and that's it, we close the video. Okay. Now 5, add the alternate text to both still images. We already added balloon and banner. Enter in the cell C, in the cell C. So this one here in the cell C. Here. What I want, text, I think. The text, the web page was created by, then on a new line, enter your name, center number, and candidate number. Just let me copy this text, copy, and then go to the C, next to the banner, next to the banner. Yeah, here. So Control V, then enter. Then you have to set your number, your name, comma, center number, comma, candidate number. Okay. Set this text as sorry here. Set this text as H2. So you know, just highlight the text, and here just make it as H2 heading 2, right? Okay, so you can see that the text inside the heading H2 headings. Okay, now let's go to the step number 7. Step number 7, place in the cell D the text from the file M24 text. So just highlight the text and copy it, Control C, go back here. They want to set in the cell D here. So here, okay. They will highlight, yeah, here. So just paste, okay. And what else? Set the text as paragraph and set this text as paragraph and the text memorable and inspiring as H1. So this text as paragraph, you know, go to here, make it as paragraph. It will add the P tag from paragraph. But for the memorable here, they need it, sorry, it should be what, H1, right? H1, so just here, then H1. They will add H1, they will add H1 tag. So H1 for the title and P for the paragraph. Open the style sheet M24 SBS, the style sheet, so here they already gave me this style sheet and I want to add some styles for it. So just let me open it. I will open with Microsoft. Yes. This is my HTML and this is the style sheet. Okay. Let's add the styles. Add CSS to this style sheet. So your name, candidate number, and center number as comment were at the start of the style sheet. So just let me go here and add comment. How to add comment in style sheet? Just set slash then star. It will convert the text to green color, and I have to add my name, comma center number, comma candidate number, and then star again, star and slash. So it will close the tag. The comment, sorry. The table is centered aligned within the browser window. Okay, so we need like to adjust styles for the table. For each element, you need to adjust the style for it. You need to add it. So I am here inside the style sheet. So a new style. Okay. And here you have to select the table. Okay. In the selector. What we need to add for the table, it will be center aligned. How to make the table center aligned in the browser? Make the margin to the left and margin to the right to auto. So automatically will adjust the table to be in the center of the browser. So here in the margins, make sure remove this text so you can adjust them separately, to the right to be auto and to the left to be auto. What is for the table? They want that all the table elements have the spacing between the borders. Yeah, another thing we need to adjust it. They said all the borders will be visible. First of all, let me adjust the space, okay, between the borders. It is 10 pixel. How to get that? It is here in the table section, border spacing, and it is 10. Make sure it is pixel, okay? Let me go back to the border of the table. You need like to make them visible. How to make them visible? At least make the border with 1 pixel, and here make the style to be solid. This is for the table. I need to repeat this for the TD, means to the cells, because here I adjusted the borders only for the outline border, okay, the external border. I need also to adjust the borders for the internal cells, okay. So you can see all the format, all the style that I added for the table will be here. So the margins, auto for left and right, spacing 10, border spacing 10 as they asked, and I added the border as they asked me in the beginning. Uh, Table borders must appear on the final web page. That's one. Um, what else for the table? All the table cells have padding. This padding for TD, table data, not for the table itself. So I finish here and I will close. Automatically added the style for the table. Now I want to add a new style, but this time for the TD. And let me from the beginning adjust the border solid and 1 pixel at least. And they want the padding. The padding, you will find it in the box here. For all, right? The padding for all, 20 pixel. Okay, so remove. You don't need to remove the tick, because if you didn't remove it, it will add the same padding for all, and it is in pixel, so it's fine. Yeah, that's it for the TD. Okay. Okay. Now I want to adjust the styles for H1 and H2. So again, a new style here. But here, if you want to add the same styles for two elements, you can set you can set the element that they want and separate. You can separate them by comma. So I want for H1 and H2 this styles what they want for the font family. So here, the first font is Cooper Black. If it's available, fine. Otherwise, use the impact. Otherwise, use the serif. So just copy the first text, paste it here, then comma. In case if it's not available, it will set impact. Okay, Control V. Otherwise, it will use what? Serif. Yeah. What is they want? Styles H1 and H2 are center aligned. So go to the block here. You will find the text aligned should be in the center. Browser's default serif. Sorry, I am here. Styles H1 and H2 have a font color with the hexadecimal. So you have to use a hexadecimal to represent the colors: blue component 99, no red, no green. You know, we need to represent the color in the hexadecimal. So how to do that in the CSS? First of all, hashtag means the color in hexadecimal. Now the order for the colors: red, green, blue, red, green, blue, RGB. For the red, they said 0. 2 digits for each color. For the green, 0. They said no red or green. For the blue, they said 99. So this is the color that they want, and that's it. Okay. Okay. Now I think, yeah, they want each one alone 18. So new styles, but this time it's only for each one. Each one, and the font size is 18, but point, huh? 18. By default, it is pixel. For change it to PT, apply. Okay. This is for H1. Another style for H2. H2, and it is here. Sorry, font size. It is how much? 14 PT. Don't forget to change the unit. It is PT point. Apply, then okay. Done. Make sure that your style sheet doesn't contain HTML. I didn't add any HTML coding here. Save the style sheet in your March folder, and it is M24 SBS underscore your center number underscore your candidate number. So go to here, file, save as. It is in the, you have to set it inside March 24, and the name is and M24 SBS underscore center number underscore candidate number. Okay, and it is CSS. Or you can from here change it to be CSS or SCSS. Yeah, yeah. So save. Okay, now I want to apply attach the style sheet. So go back to SPS and how to apply or how to attach the style sheet. Okay, attach, browse, refer to your style sheet. It is in the March 24, and that's it. And then okay, you can see that they will add the link to your style sheet in the head section. Okay, save your web page. Save. Take a copy of your HTML source and place it in your evidence document. So Control A, Control C. I hope I didn't forget anything. Okay, hopefully. So go back to the evidence, and here we are in the question or step number 8. Okay, then Control V. This is the code. Take a copy. Yeah, already we said display the web page in your browser. Yeah, yeah, this is the point. I forgot to add the screenshot of the style sheet. Anyhow, it is also here in the question 8 before here. You have to take screenshot for the style sheet because usually they will ask to take a screenshot for the style sheet and for the HTML as well. Anyhow, let me go to the style sheet here. Take screenshot, right, for it and place it in your evidence document. Make sure that the file name and all the contents are clearly visible. So take screenshot, shift with Windows logo with S. Take screenshot for, now again, the file name. Yeah, it's visible now. Take it here, paste Ctrl V. You can see the name of the file here is visible. Now I think we adjusted everything. Now we want to display the web page in the browser. Okay, so save again. How to display it here. This is my HTML. How to display it? Right click. You can directly go to the Firefox. They will list the browser that you have or open with here. You can open using any browser. For me, let me open it using Microsoft Edge. Okay. You can see that everything is visible now. Display your web page in the browser, resize it if it's necessary. The entire page can be seen, all the text can be easily read. The address bar here visible. I don't need this one. Take screenshot showing your web page in the browser, place it in your evidence document. Type. How to take screenshot for this particular part? You can take 2 screenshots. First for the upper section, then go to the other section. Okay. Anyhow, the video is working and the controls are visible. Or how to take screenshot. You can go to here to the dots in your browser. Then here you have screenshot, capture full page. Okay, and just copy and go back to your, what is this step? Right. So here, go back and down here, 9, Control V. Yeah, but still I need the title, right? So I will take another screenshot. Okay, using the, you can take a screenshot like that. Then go to the evidence document here. It should be here. Mhm. So yeah, it is clear, you know. Or there is another way. It is from the browser here. You can go here, then go to more tools, then developer tools. Okay, just double click here. You know, here you can adjust the size. Now I can take screenshot only for this particular part. Okay, so no need like to crop or to take two screenshots. One screenshot is okay. Then again back to your evidence document and just paste it here, both of them correct. You can see everything here. So you can see also the table will take 90%, here, and it is on the center. So the width margin and sorry, the left margin and right margin is adjusted automatically. So, and here I have the title of the page plus the address bar. I think that's it. We finish solving here, and yeah, thank you for listening.